how to manually add bank transactions on QuickBooks. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So open up QuickBooks on your screen, and after you are logged in, you may head over to the left side, and under this bookmarks option, you should be finding bank transactions. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it under bank transactions, you may head over to this right beside bank transactions. You should be finding receipts, all sales, expenses option. You may select expenses. And after selecting expenses, just to manually add a bank, you may head over to the new transaction option from your screen, right beside expense transactions option, drop it down. And once you drop it down here, you will be finding a menu like what kind you want. Let's head over to the expense option. After going over the expense, you need to enter up your bank credentials here. So go ahead and enter up your name, your payment account details, along with that your payment date, your payment method, and your reference number. Once that is done under this category and description page, you may go ahead and enter up everything they're asking for. And once that is done here, you may also add a memo and attachment if possible. Once the amount is added, you can tap on save and close in the bottom right corner, and that is how you basically add bank transactions on QuickBooks. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.